I got it. I got it.
A severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in Montana, Missoula and Sanders. The National Weather Service in Missoula has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sanders County in northwestern Montana, central Missoula County in west central Montana, until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Flinttown, Oregon, 21 miles northwest of Missoula, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Heavy rainfall. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Heavy rainfall will cause localized flooding in flood-prone areas, including debris rock flow. Locations impacted include Flinttown, Ivaro, and Husin, and portions of Interstate 90. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. 4 p.m.